Have you noticed crinkling, cracking, or popping whenever you do an audio recording while you have Nvidia Broadcast set to noise removal? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple tricks that I've figured out on my own at 3 in the morning now in order to make sure this works and to get clean audio recordings. So specifically, this issue is for when you're using Nvidia Broadcast and you're playing a graphically intensive game. The noise removal works perfectly. If you're in game chat with other people or live streaming, you don't have any issues. But whenever you don't have stuff running, say for example, you're trying to go for a YouTube channel like this and do a voiceover after the fact, then you start to have some crackling and popping, just like I'll show you here. If you have a PC, you can get this $15 game for completely free right now through August 10th. If you heard it right here in this section, if I turn on auto loop here and then jump over, right now, that's a pretty sharp popping that we want to get rid of, and we definitely can. So after doing some tinkering, if we take a software like MSI Afterburner here, which I'll have links in the description for all this stuff if you want to figure out, but it's really easy, no extra setup, you just download it, and this is the screen it pops you up with. Even though I'm recording right now, you can see that on my RTX 3070, I have an Asus ROG Strix card, my clock speeds are still pretty low, even though I am recording, and when my computer's on idle, these clock speeds are about 200 megahertz. Normally that's fine, they do that to save power, and it's just part of your card being efficient. But Nvidia Broadcast does the noise removal not on your CPU, but on your graphics card, and it's dependent on these clock speeds. So, in order to fix the issue we're having with the crackling and popping, we need to increase our basically just boost frequency and make it where we're constantly running at a higher megahertz. This is not ideal, and really it's kind of like a temporary solution, but if you want to have clean audio, and NVIDIA Broadcast is great for taking out the background, this is the way to do it. So we could download a software called EVGA Precision X1. Love EVGA. Again, I'll have the link for the download in the video description. All you have to do is launch it up. No extra prep work done at all. As soon as you bring it up, it will automatically should have your GPU clocked at a higher speed. If we look here at MSI Afterburner, we can see that that speed is locked. This means that now NVIDIA Broadcast is going to be able to run its noise removal at its full speed, and we're now no longer going to be having those cracks and popping. And then after you're done with your recording, you can just close out of the software, and it will automatically drop our clock speeds back down, as you see here. So, ta-da! The issue you're having with your crackling and popping, if you've been struggling with it and you've been working on it until 3 in the morning, is because of your graphics card clock speed, specifically for the noise removal feature of NVIDIA Broadcast. Hopefully this helped.